You ready? Let's grill it.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually start marinating my pork tenderloin. I'm gonna take some garlic. I'm just gonna crush the garlic and then some fresh lemon juice and some fresh oregano. Fresh oregano to me is like the forgotten fresh herb. You know, everybody wants basil, parsley, you know, even things like tarragon and cilantro, but oregano is forgotten. A lot of people use dried oregano, but I love fresh oregano. So I'm just going to put a little salt and pepper in here as well, and this is gonna be the marinade for our pork tenderloin. And some olive oil. And I'm just gonna pour the marinade over the pork. I'm gonna let this sit for 45 minutes to an hour. I wouldn't let it sit quite overnight because remember, the pork doesn't have a lot of fat in it, and I don't want the lemon juice to start actually cooking it enzymatically. I just wanted to pick up a little bit of the flavor. That's the sizzle I want to hear. All right, I'm gonna start putting my pork Greek salad together. I have my pork tenderloin off the fire, nice and crusty on the outside. Should be close to medium on the inside. And I'm actually going to grill my radicchio for a couple of minutes. I just like to get the edges charred, and I'm going to make a vinaigrette right now. We're gonna start with some anchovy paste and some red wine vinegar. Anchovies are the secret ingredient to deliciousness. A lot of people don't think they like anchovies, but this is a great place to sneak it in on your friends. You don't have to tell them anything. It's got a good natural saltiness to it. We're gonna add some Dijon mustard. I'm gonna take my radicchio off. Just wanna get a nice little char on the outside. Okay, so getting back to the vinaigrette, we have some anchovy paste, some Dijon mustard, a little red wine vinegar. And I'm gonna start whisking that, and this is where I put my salt and pepper in so I can dissolve it during the vinaigrette process. A little bit of honey just to kind of chill out that acidity, and I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of more extra virgin olive oil, and that is gonna be our dressing. I'm going to chop up a couple of black olives, and then capers. I'm just gonna take these off. I just wanted to cook just for a moment or two. Peel half of this cucumber. A quick cut on these like that. I'm actually gonna slice up the pork tenderloin. Okay, that's what you want to see. You know, just sort of medium on the inside, just slightly pink.
Show off.
Okay, nice and crusty on the outside.
Perfect.
And I just kind of put the dressing around the side of the bowl, and I just kind of push the greens into it, so not to overdress it. Just kind of scatter some greens around. All right, then I can take my cucumbers and my tomatoes. I can dress those as well. Some capers and black olives in here as well. And a little bit of fresh oregano. Lightly dress that.
It's beautiful.
Then we have some of the feta cheese. It's a good summer salad, you know, nice for lunch. Mm-hmm. And then some of our pork tenderloin. More dressing on top of the pork.
It's delicious. And the step of grilling the tomatoes and the radicchio, I mean, that really added a ton.
And it's got like lots of fresh, healthy friends around it.
It's awesome.